Hey everyone, it's Zach Gordon, your go-to personal and business funding consultant. Today, we're diving into a powerful yet overlooked resource for small businesses and community development. We call it the Emergency Capital Investment Program, or the ECIP, if you want to abbreviate it. If you're a business owner, entrepreneur, or community-focused organization, this video is essential viewing. We'll break down what it is, how it works, and how it can help you secure the funding that you need to grow and thrive. Let's go ahead and get started, shall we? First off, let's talk about what the ECIP is. The Emergency Capital Investment Program, established by the U.S. Treasury, has provided over $8.57 billion, that's with a B, in investments to 175 depository institutions. These institutions are either community development financial institutions, CDFIs for short, or minority depository institutions, MDIs for short. The ECIP's goal is to empower these institutions to support small businesses and financially underserved communities by offering affordable capital and financial resources. Now let's go ahead and dive into how the ECIP actually works. Under this program, the Treasury makes long-term low-cost capital investments in CDFIs and MDIs. The community financial institutions reduce the rate that they pay on Treasury investments by increasing their lending and investments in low and moderate income, rural, and minority communities. For businesses, this means that you can potentially access these funds through CDFI or MDI. Whether you need to expand your operations, purchase new equipment, or simply keep your doors open, the ECIP-backed funding could be a crucial lifeline. The funds can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as providing loans to low and moderate income borrowers, lending in rural communities, financing affordable rental housing, and offering mortgages to financial underserved homebuyers. The flexibility makes the ECIP an invaluable resource for businesses and communities alike. Let's go ahead and talk about the eligibility for how you can take advantage of the ECIP. First, you need to determine if your business or organization qualifies. The ECIP primarily targets businesses in low-income, rural, or underserved communities, as well as those owned by minorities, women, and veterans. If your business fits the profile, you're already on a great track. Next, you'll want to connect with a CDFI or MDI that participates in this program. These institutions will have an application process where you need to demonstrate your financial need, business plan, and how the funding will actually help achieve your goals. The application process can be competitive, but the potential benefits make it more than worthwhile the effort. Once approved, the terms for your funding will be more favorable than your traditional loans from a standard bank, thanks to the ECIP's support. This includes lower interest rates, longer repayment periods, and other terms that make it easier for businesses to manage their finances and focus on growth, the things that matter. Now, let's take a moment to highlight the impact of the ECIP. The participants in this program advance the statutory goal of providing finance and resources to the financially underserved borrowers and communities. This includes, but not limited to, providing loans and technical assistance to low and moderate income borrowers, helping them build businesses and achieve financial stability. Lending in rural communities, tribal lands, and U.S. territories where access to capital is often overlooked and limited. Opening access to capital for small businesses, enabling them to take advantage of growth opportunities, financing affordable rental housing, and offering mortgages to the financially underserved homebuyers, addressing critical housing needs. These efforts are transforming communities by fostering economic growth and expanding opportunities for individuals and businesses that need it most. Of course, as with any funding program, there are going to be risks and considerations that you need to keep in mind. First, the application process. It can be very competitive, and you'll need to demonstrate a clear need for the funds. the repayment obligations. While the terms are going to be favorable, you still need a solid plan for repayment to avoid any financial strain. There's a potential for overextension. As with any loan or investment, it's crucial to not overextend yourself. Make sure that you're borrowing only what you need and have a clear plan for how to use the funds effectively. Regulatory compliance. You got to ensure that your business complies with all necessary regulations and that you'll understand the legal implications of receiving the funds. Remember, while the ECIP offers significant benefits, it's essential to approach it with a clear and strategic plan. So when the ECIP makes the most sense for you, the program could be ideal if you're looking to bridge a funding gap, whether it's due to the pandemic or other economic challenges. The ECIP can provide the capital you need to stabilize. This is still going on, even though that it was originally designed for the pandemic. You can expand your operations if you're ready to grow but need affordable capital. This program can offer the support you need. Invest in community development. If your business has a community-focused mission, the ECIP aligns perfectly with your goals. However, it is also worth exploring alternatives such as traditional loans. If you have strong credit, traditional loans may offer a larger loan amount. Also, there is small business grants. Depending on your industry, grants could provide funding without the need for repayment. This wraps up a deep dive into the Emergency Capital Investment Program. Remember, the ECIP isn't just about funding, it's about empowering communities and driving economic growth where it's needed most. If you think this program could be a good fit for you, don't hesitate to reach out to your local CDFI or MDI to explore your options. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on crucial funding tips. We're always going to drop the latest and greatest funding tips and try to provide you with a sense of knowledge. And if you're looking for personalized advice on how to navigate these funding programs like the ECIP, go ahead and drop a comment below or check out my consulting services. I have a link in the description for a free consultation. Thank you for watching, and until next time, you gotta stay savvy. Let's stay funded